The year 2026 is here, and with it, the best AI tools to finally start making serious money online.
Right now, people are making up to $100 per day using AI tools. That was this. And the crazy part? Most of these tools are free or very affordable. In this video, I'll show you the best AI tools to start making money online, even as a beginner. If you want to build an online income stream, this video is for you. First, we have ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools available today. Many clients pay between $10 and $100 per article, and AI helps you work faster. Next is Canva AI, a simple tool for creating professional designs.
You can make social media posts, logos, and YouTube thumbnails, even with no design experience. Businesses need designs every day, so you can sell simple design services online. The third tool is Pictory AI, which turns text into videos automatically.
You can create YouTube videos, sell video services, or start your own faceless channel. Another powerful tool is Copy.ai, which helps you write marketing content. You can create ads, product descriptions, and sales copy that businesses are willing to pay for. And finally, we have 11 Labs, a tool that creates realistic AI voiceovers. You can use it for YouTube videos, voiceover services, or even audiobook projects. The tone. Now here's a simple plan. Step 1. Pick one AI tool. Step 2. Learn one basic skill connected to that tool. Step 3. Offer your service online through freelancing platforms or social media. Step 4. Improve your process and scale your income step by step. Don't try everything at once. Focus on one method and stay consistent. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want to try first.